want a job someplace fun, with good things to eat, and nice people to work with. Daddy, make the lizard talk!
Howdy, partner. Welcome to Gecko Pachecko's Tex-Mex restaurant.
Cool! I like the tongue part. Help wanted. This seems like a fun place to work.
You want a job?
Ever
been a car hop?
No,
Know how to skate?
not really.
Close enough, you're hired. Meany, we've been getting swamped every night at dinner rush. I'm putting you in charge of training,
Winnie Woodpecker.
Gotta run, I got a truck of lard waiting on the docks.
Hi, welcome to Gecko Pachecko's.
Why, thank...
Let's get one thing straight, Missy. I've been the car hop here for 22 years. You're not just gonna sweep in here and take over my territory. Now, let's roll! Newbies. Huh.
Skinny skates. They'll get you every time.
Hey, Woodpecker Wheels, move it or lose it! Can't make it too easy for her around here. She might like it and want to stay. Nothing like a big tray to weigh you down, I always say. Ha! This is a pronto delivery to car 27. Senior Ocho's a regular customer, so don't screw up. Don't just stand there. You're a meal on wheels. Guess I showed that gal a thing or... Triple your order for free. 3 times as much food for regular price. Triple your order at Gecko Pachecko's today only. This'll get rid of that woodpecker once and for all.
Come on, where's my order?
Waiting longer than
Excuse me, I was here first. It's triple your order hour, meaning triple the work for you, woodpecker.
Isn't someone else who works here going to help with this rush?
No! That's a good one. No!
She's a fruitcake on skates. Hey! I can handle my job and hers. Car number 7, car number 8, car number 9, car number 10.
So, then I said to her, no! Get it? No!
I'm done. I'll take my break now.
That does it. There's only one way to get rid of Miss Wheelie Two-Shoes. Detour, keep it moving. Find an empty stall anywhere. Have fun. Oh, Winnie! The dinner rush is here, and they all seem to be on your side.
Come on, I was here first.
When is someone gonna take my order?
15, 76, 42. They're spread all over. Calm down! Don't get your shorts in a bunch. Everyone will be served in the order they arrive. Somehow. Meany, you gotta tag team with me. These orders are all over the parking lot.
Oh, if you can't handle it, quit!
This is how you want to play it? Fine by me.
What's that crazy woodpecker doing now? Ha! What did that accomplish?
Watch and learn. 15, 76, 42, 38, 9, 12, 82.
No, it can't be. No one's ever done those kinds of maneuvers before. She'll win over all my best customers. She'll be here forever. Unless... Adios, woodpecker!
Yikes! Whoa!
Meany!
Why, hello, boss.
What's going on here?
She's insane?
Me! She's the one! Little miss, look at me skate! Ah, I'm a little car hop, short and sweet.
Stop! Meany, your behavior. I have no choice but to fire you.
No, please, boss. Please let me stay. Please! I'll do anything.
Sir,
Why, even though nothing will ever replace my statue, if she'll agree, it's a great idea, Winnie.
Daddy, make it talk!
Howdy, partner. Welcome to Gecko Pachecko's Tex-Mex restaurant.
Man, that's lame. It's 3 for Thursday. 3 meals for the price of 1. All right. Keep up the